Today we're making juicy, delicious meatballs that are full of flavor and super easy to make. If you love tasty homemade meals, then you're gonna enjoy this recipe. Welcome back to Home Taste Hub. Today we're making soft, juicy, and delicious meatballs. To get started, take some bread, blend it, then add a little milk. This will help make our meatballs tender and full of flavor. Let's cook together. Now take your ground meat and add the blended bread and milk mixture. Next, add some grated onions, finely chopped coriander, and a little garlic for that rich flavor. Then add 1 egg. This will help everything bind together nicely and give you perfect meatballs. Mix everything well until fully combined. Now add some paprika, cumin, and salt to taste for extra flavor. Once all the ingredients are in, start mixing everything together thoroughly for about 5 minutes. Make sure everything is well combined so your meatballs turn out perfect and full of flavor. Once all the ingredients are fully combined, it's time to shape our meatballs. Take a spoonful of the mixture, dip your hands in some water to prevent sticking, and roll it into the size you prefer. Keep shaping the mixture until all of it is formed into perfect meatballs. Once your meatballs are perfectly shaped, take a pan and add some oil. Carefully place the meatballs in the pan and start frying them. Stir them gently from time to time until they turn golden brown and are fully cooked inside. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Now it's time to make the sauce for our meatballs. Take a pan and add a little oil. Add some chopped onions and garlic, then stir fry until fragrant. Next, add some tomato paste and mix it well. Gently add your fried meatballs into the sauce and let them soak up all the flavors. Add a little water so the meatballs cook nicely and stay juicy. Once everything is cooked through, your meatballs are ready to serve. Enjoy the amazing aroma and dig into these juicy, flavorful, and perfectly cooked meatballs. And just like that, our delicious, juicy meatballs are ready. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me today. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss our next tasty recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.